The April 28 earthquake that struck Morocco hit the eastern region of the country, near the city of Agadir. The tremor registered 5.7 on the Richter scale and lasted just over a minute. The effects of the earthquake were felt in both Agadir and nearby Kafr province. Reports indicate that the earthquake caused limited injuries. Temporary damage to some buildings was reported, while some homes and businesses experienced minor property damage. The tremor was located near the village of Gesit, approximately 60 kilometers from Agadir itself. No deaths resulting from the quake have been reported. Despite the fact that the epicenter was located in the eastern part of Morocco, tremors were felt as far away as Marrakesh. Other cities where the earthquake was felt include Warfa, Agadir, Sidi Ifni, Tiznit, and Lioni Sakia El Hamra. The Geological Institute of Morocco claimed that the quake was caused by tension on the Al Hudnaf fault, which runs through the region. Following the earthquake, several aftershocks were registered in the region. Thankfully, the effects of the initial earthquake were not enough to cause any large-scale destruction. The seismic activity of the region has increased significantly since the earthquake. This increase has been attributed to the lower temperatures in the region. The Moroccan government has declared a state of emergency in the affected areas to secure the safety of citizens. The Moroccan King Mohammed VI visited some of the villages affected by the quake and offered support and aid to those affected. The epicenter was located in the middle of a sparsely populated area with few buildings, minimizing the impact to infrastructure. Major transportation routes and services were not negatively impacted by the quake. Despite the fact that the earthquake was relatively small, the Moroccan government has already taken steps to provide relief and aid to those affected. This includes the provision of temporary shelters and food for those affected. The government also allocated funds for repairs and recovery efforts. Aid agencies from the United Nations have also been dispatched to the region to provide assistance. The Moroccan government has instructed all citizens to actively participate in the ongoing recovery efforts. Residents of Agadir have been asked to check their homes and property for potential damage caused by the quake. Larger cities such as Marrakesh have been asked to provide shelter and other aid to those affected by the quake.